Hey guys, just want to show you our aviary we just finished building. Um, Little backstory on this. We just finished building, by the way, so you still see a lot of stuff all over the place. But a little backstory on this. We have a few customers, senior customers, that moved to a senior facility and they can't keep their birds. So they didn't know what to do, and they asked us if we would take their birds. So we didn't have a place to put them in. I already have a green chiconia inside, and she's very jealous. So we built this 22 feet long, 7.5 feet wide, and 8 feet tall aviary for the rescue birds. I'm gonna take you on a small tour of what it looks like inside. You can see we have two little budgies in there already. We just brought them in today. They're acclimating to the surrounding, and we're gonna be releasing them soon. But here we are. This is the side of the aviary with a shade cloth. We put the shade cloth for sunny days. Here in Florida it gets super hot, so we try to figure something out to give them more shade. This can be removed easily, but this is the side of it. This is just part of the garden here. You can sit there and just look at the birds if you want. But anyways, so let's head over to the entrance of the aviary. Has a tiny little pond, work in progress. So this is the entrance. Here's a little pond. I have a little yellow belly slider in there. Her name is Peta. Okay, so the aviary goes in, different plants in here. You cross over a huge log to get over to the other side. Let's just close the door. Okay. We have some Hoyas hanging just so they can land on it, banana trees. Ficus trees, fiddle leaf, and the ficus ali. Different plants like ear plants down. A sitting area if you just want to sit and relax in here, because it's actually very cool. A little water feature for them. So you walk in here. We have some bird houses just for decorations, but we do have a lot of toys all over the place. Different feeder stations. This here will be a millet station. So we have Suriname cherries in case you want to just feed on those, and it's loaded right now. Some ferns, blue star fern, and of course we have a makeshift bunny hutch because we're going to be placing two rescue bunnies that we rescued from a lady who had a baby and decided she didn't want any of the bunnies anymore. And over there is an access window in case I want to miss the birds or water the plants. Suriname cherries here. Different types of plants. Like I said, we have a little palm. I think it's called a cat palm. More banana trees. Hibiscus. More toys. Sweet almond bush with hanging toys. We have different perches for them here, and a couple of these that we made out of an old bench we had. And here are our two first little rescue budgies. Their owner called them Mork and Mindy, so we're going to be keeping the names. They seem to be very calm. And like I said, they're going to be moving from this little cage onto all this. A 22 feet long aviary. I just have to figure out how to make a double door for this so that they don't fly out. But this is basically it. Nice size. They're safe. Aviary itself is very safe. Here I'm just sitting looking towards where the birds are right now. And there you go. This is our aviary. We just finished it. I want to say today's Saturday, Wednesday. So they called us to pick up Mork and Mindy today. It's been 2.5 hours more or less that we picked them up. And they'll be released in maybe the next half an hour or so. Okay guys, so that's it. I will take another video when the birds are already flying all over the place.